what is yoga? What is the goal of yoga? Who is yogis? How many yogis are there today? We should not make mockery of International Yoga Day. This is the 7th International Yoga Day. All over the world, more than 177 countries signed, celebrate it as a day of what? Yoga, union, Allah, Tawheed, or Parabrahma, Kaivalya, a Holy Spirit, people who achieved it, who are on that path. Once upon a time, their highly yogi means highly adorable. Is that the same? Is the same adoration? In adoration of them you are celebrating today. How many yogis in these 7 years have become? What is the path? Understand. We have to talk about immunity. If your oxygen consumption is high, where is immunity? Tell me. Your oxygen consumption is directly proportional to the immunity. Lower the oxygen consumption, highest is the immunity. That's why hardly there are any diseases in Himalayan terrain. Simple. As I told you, by the time you make your journey there, already oxygen has to be conserved. You learn the technologies of conservation of oxygen. Naturally, you stay healthy. Oxygen is conserved. Your immunity is protected. You and me go to Tibet and we get burnt. We have to prepare. We have to struggle for oxygen. And we have to struggle with so many other problems, vestibular problems. We have to struggle from vertigo problems. Many people fall sick. Understand. Goal of yoga, path of yoga. Today is the Nirjala Ekadashi too. That consummates all the Ekadashis. Drop of water not supposed to be taken. Yogi's day, a yogi meditating, conserving. Where is the thirst? If there is no thirst, why the thirst is there? Thirst is for the greed of the sense doors, of the intellect, of the ego. If they are not there, if they are not thirsty, where is the thirst? If they are not thirsty, where is oxygen consumption? Where is oxygen consumption? Your sense doors, your mind, your intellect, your ego, they are helping. They are supposed to help in conserving, but they are working for ego, increasing consumption. If they are working for soul, they are working to reduce oxygen consumption, zero consumption, and eternality, singularity. Are your sense doors? Is your mind? Is your intellect? Is your ego helping? They are the slaves of soul. Soul is the owner. But they are dominating the soul, owner. They are dominating over the soul. Your consumption tells. Your thirst of your sense doors tell, my dear. Your life is after name, fame, materialistic wealth, accumulation. Where is vairagya? Attachment, accumulation. Understand. What is consuming oxygen? Every emotion. Behind every attachment of every sense door, every emotion. Every attachment of the sense door, when it is fulfilled or when it is not fulfilled, emotion. Your mind, your intellect, sanya vairagyam, the highest than anything, sense door pleasures, more than a taste, more than a music, more than your indulgence of the sight, more than taste. What kills you is your intellect, highest consumer of your oxygen. That kills you, your own intellect, perception, delusion, avijja. मतद्रूपं मिथ्याज्ञानं मतद्रूपं प्रतिष्ठायां विपर्यायाम्. Every cell, 70 trillion cells of you, full of delusion, full of perception. All your taste is killing, very DNA, very cell. You know very well when you drink a cup of coffee or a tea or ice cream or every indulgence you indulge, you know, it increases your oxygen consumption, it kills you, but that's the life for you. You take pleasure in killing your DNA, killing in your cell. Where is wisdom? Patanjali is explaining so beautifully. Mityajnanam matadrupam. One side he explains. Tadha drashtu swarupe vastanam. Where the 70 trillion cells, absolutely happy, zero consumption, they don't want to consume, they are not thirsty, they are not hungry. Tato dvandva abhighatam, they are completely contented. Tadha drashtu swarupe vastanam. It's about conserver, it's about a yogi, about a consumer. He is explaining. Mityajnanam matadrupam pratishtayam vipariyayam. Why? Even your way of doing yoga, jumping on the mat every day, consuming oxygen or conserving oxygen. You don't even know the science, physiology behind every movement you are doing, and like a dummy you are doing. But yogis are not dummy, yogis are scientists.